Hey, today we're talking about Permatex's brand new product, dielectric grease.
It's not new. It's been out a long time. Permatex has had this for a right good while. Do you know how to use it?
Yeah.
All right, show me what you got.
Just gob that stuff right there, just like that. Stick a wad right on the end like that. Stick it together.
Oh,
Nothing's getting in that.
No, you're using that as a contact or something. I don't know what you're doing here. That's not the proper way to use it.
All right, Smarty, tell me how you use it.
Let me show you the proper way to use it, especially on a coilover plug. All right, you got your coilover plug here. You want to take a cotton swab or something like that. You can use your finger, but I'll take a cotton swab, take it, put it right around this contact area here. Take your boot, stick it right over the edge. Now you got you a nice contact seal right there.
Don't forget to put your wad right there so your metal make contact.
You don't put a wad there. If you want to do it, take your plug, put a little bit around the porcelain on the plug. Then as you stick your plug up in here, that porcelain, it goes on the boot, makes a nice tight seal. You don't get any arcing. It's not on the contact. It's not made for contact areas.
So what you're saying is it insulates. It doesn't actually make contact.
Right, there you go. Dielectric grease insulates. What it would help you do is see this carbon tracking down on the side of this plug here? What it does is keep that carbon tracking from coming down here. It gives it a nice tight seal right here so it don't carbon track. And that's what dielectric grease is for. It's for sealing and keeping your arcs from running. And that's why we like to use it on our coilover plugs.
Okay. Well, for now, I'll let you do the ends.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey everybody, hope we got you a little helpful information about dielectric grease from Permatex. If there's anything else you'd like to know about Permatex products, they got a new training portal out right now. We'll put a link in the description below on how to get to it. They got Formula Drift drivers, Dylan Hughes, Ryan Turek, and Chris Forsberg. They're going to walk you right through the steps of anything you need to know about Permatex. So thanks for watching, and we'll put a link below.